Trying to explain to the newbie here. You got Tyler Courtney and Tanner Thorson on the front row, and Gio Selzy in the Chili's car. He just got that triple dipper two months ago. Yeah, he got a triple dipper, sour cream. Yeah, guacamole. And so basically, unlimited, bottomless. They call it bottomless, but that's an aggressive top three. And they have to win it. Brent Marks is just sitting back. And you even got RICO, the 24 car, the defending champion. This is going to be aggressive. They're going for the win. Oh, there he comes. It's going to be aggressive. He's going to be aggressive. John Carney's outrunning RICO, guys. John Carney, the third. John Carney's running down Brent. Oh, look out, look out. Oh, no. They're cheering for John Carney. He's the hometown hero. He's putting it on Marks and RICO. Here he comes. Oh, he got him. He got him. What the hell's it, John? What's John Carney? Carney, come on! Who told John Carney to go fast all of a sudden? This ain't no Paso Speedway Park. What are you doing? Oh, God, look out! Hold on, RICO! Oh! Oh! No, 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 no! The face of defeat! Oh, John Carney! What? I mean, he got fourth. I mean, and then they're going to interview RICO. And they're going to interview. Why are you interviewing John Carney?